Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my office. Today we are going to be doing some lipo lab, and I'm going to be doing it right here in this area. So let me show you what it looks like. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of string. All I have is thread. So I'm going to take a piece of thread and like measure myself with it and cut it, and then when I come on here in 2 weeks for the update of my stomach, then I'll measure the string again, and then we can see like how much of a difference it is, because all I have is a ruler. So the ruler will be able to tell us how many inches difference it is, because it's not going to be like, you know, a foot different. Another thing is when I'm injecting, I'm not talking at all. And if I do say something, then that's the only part that I unmute when I'm doing these videos. Step one, we're going to disinfect. I'm gonna pull up the solution into these little syringes, but what I do is I take this metal off and I take the rubber stopper out, because if you put the needle through the rubber stopper, it dulls the needle, but if you just put it in and pull up the solution, it doesn't dull the needle. I'm pretty sure I said that in my last video, but saying it again. Also, another question I get all the time, I wrote the answer in the description box. I wrote the answer in the comments about 2 or 3 times, and I'm still getting the same question. This is what my needles look like. In fact, if you're doing your stomach, you probably want 8mm, not 6, but it's fine. You know, you work with what you got. Like I said in the other video, the most important part is to massage it in. If you're massaging it in, it's gonna go deeper. That's gonna be the most uncomfortable part, because you're spreading it all over. Okay guys, all that was muted, there was nothing said. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start. I've already disinfected, I've put my gloves on, so now let's get going. There we go, that's much better. I thought it was all the way up. Okay, so just so you guys can see where you'll need to inject. And then you off-center the next row on each side. I'm not going to draw them all over. If you go to my other videos, you can see it, but let's do this thread real quick. So this is our measurement string. Okay guys, I got a little excited. I forgot to numb, so I'm just gonna let this kick in for about 5 minutes. It's going to mute now. Okay guys, so I'm finished. As you can see, it's red. That's completely normal. That's what you want. I'm massaged. Do what I did to massage it so that way the product can soak in deeper. And I'm going to make a video in a little bit about just answering every single question that's in my comment section because there tended to be quite a bit, so I'd rather just have a whole video for you guys to reference. After you see one of these, you could just click on it. So I'll put like a little card when you're watching. Also guys, do not forget you need to drink a crazy amount of water and you need to put on a compression garment. I'm gonna put this on. I got this from Amazon. I will leave a link for this in the description. Guys, I take a lot of time doing my descriptions, so please check out the descriptions and see what they say. And then what I put over this is I put a Spanx on top and then I put on a waist trainer. That's what I notice gets the best results. Feel free to ask questions. I try to get back to you guys all the time, but it's just, it takes a lot for me to make these videos and then keep checking and answer. I try to answer as soon as I can. Some of you guys I get to like right when you ask, and then others it takes a day or two. But please just bear with me, and I don't want to sound like an ass when you're leaving comments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.